What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kiddios Reviews. Now today I am going to, so first, as you can see here, look, this says newer on it, and I know what you might be thinking. That's right, I downloaded the greatest new Super Mario Bros. Wii ROM hack out there, newer Super Mario Bros. Wii. And I got it on the Wii, and I didn't even need to use I didn't even need to use the disc for the real new Super Mario Bros. Wii. So you may be wondering, how did I get it? Well, it's actually pretty simple. I'm going to show you how now. So, yeah, as you can see here, I'm on the computer. Now, actually, all you'll need for this tutorial is an SD card, an SD card and a Wii U system, of course. Now, I have an SD card here. Now, you actually need an SD card for this. This will take a few steps. First, you need to install the Homebrew well, not install it, but get Homebrew, or have access to Homebrew. Now, there is a way to do this where you, download it just goes straight on your Wii menu or Wii U menu, but you need a DS game. Now, a long time ago, they were giving out one of the DS games, it's like a brain training game, but that's not free anymore, and I don't even know if North America had that, but for me, it's for North America, I'm pretty sure it's only $6.99 when normal DS games are $9.99. So there's a way you need a DS Virtual Console game to get it, but this is how you can do it for free. So yeah. So there are 4 things you need. You need Homebrew Launcher, the Addons, Appstore, these folders, and then you need something Payload.elf. Now, I will leave links in the description, and then Payload.elf is a direct download. You just go to the website that I left a description for, or a link in the description for, and just press Payload, or then just press Payload File, and then it'll be a direct download. Or maybe it'll take you to a website. I don't know. I'm using Apple, so yeah. Anyway, you're going to want to extract all these files. And then you're going to want to open up your Wii U's SD card. Now, you're going to want to go into Homebrew Launcher. And then copy the Wii U folder to the SD card, to the root of the SD card. Now, go into Wii U. Copy go into your Payload file, and then get the Payload.elf thing, drag it into your SD card so it's right next to the apps folder inside the Wii U folder. Now open up apps. You should already have the Homebrew Launcher, but then you get the Appstore folder. Go into Wii U, apps, drag the Appstore folder into the apps folder in the SD card. Then you're going to want to go to the Addons folder, get Appstore, drag it in there, and then you may see a screen where it says replace or merge or just cancel. Press merge the 2 files together. Anyway, then yep, that's all you're going to need. And then, yeah, let's go back to the Wii U. So, as you can see, we are back on the Wii U menu now. Put the SD card into the Wii U. It doesn't have to be well to sleep. It could be anytime. Just put it in. And then, now you're just want to, just a second. And yes, I'm not using the Wii U stylus. I am using the stylus that I found. Because I do not know where my Wii U stylus is. And I'm just gonna switch this over to the Wii gamepad. Now, open the internet browser. And go search up this URL, wiiu.console.guide/exploit. It's really hard typing when when you're holding the camera at the same time. Anyway, then it's gonna take you to this website. Press Run Homebrew Launcher, and then it's just gonna take a few seconds. Now your Wii U may crash. It may crash. Mine does all the time. But don't worry, this screen should appear. Just a second. Then this screen should appear. Now, then boom! You have Homebrew. So it's actually pretty simple. Now, to exit Homebrew, you just press home button. Now, sadly, this won't install the Homebrew channel to your Wii or Homebrew Launcher to your Wii U. Sorry, but you have to go to that website every time, and you have to make sure your SD card is always in there. And then, yeah, just like do that. And now, yeah, that's how to get Homebrew. And when you go out, it'll take you to the Me Maker for some reason. Anyway, now, the reason you came here was to find out how to get newer Super Mario Bros. Wii on the Wii U without the retail disc. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. I just needed to show you how to get Homebrew. Now I'm going to show you how to get Okay, so I'm back on my Wii U, and you have to put your SD card in the back in the computer. Now, you're going to want to go to this website and download this link. I'll leave a link in the description. And then, anyway, you're going to want to open up your SD card. Now, you should already have all your Homebrew files on here. Now, inside the Wii U file that you just downloaded, or Wii_U, you'll see two files, apps and install. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to install, put it in the SD card, put it inside the SD card so it's right next to the Wii U file and the root of the SD card. Now go into here, go here, now go inside the Wii U file, copy the apps folder to the SD card inside the Wii U part. Now it'll say that the file already exists. You want to replace or merge or cancel it. Press merge. You're gonna want to merge the two files together, and then yeah, it's pretty much that simple. Then you're just gonna want to eject your Wii U's SD card and then put it in the Wii U. Now let's go back to the Wii U menu. So we are back on the Wii U menu, and we're back in the Homebrew. We're back in the Homebrew Launcher. Now again, you're gonna want to have to open it. You're always gonna have to go to the URL, and you have to have your SD card in there before you go to the URL or before you press run Homebrew Launcher. Now, when you put it in, you should see two new apps, Mocha/Mocha.elf, and you should also see Whoop Installer GX2. Now, go to Mocha/Mocha.elf. Now, go to load, and now, this may look bad, like you're going back to the Wii U menu, and that's not good. But no, this is actually good. See, now it's on here, and it's not actually really gonna do anything. I actually don't really know what it does, but you need to do this before you install newer Super Mario Bros. Wii. Then it takes you back to the Wii U menu. Now go back to Homebrew. Just gonna pause the video for a second so I can go back, and you won't have to wait a bit. You won't have to wait. So, yep, you are on Homebrew. Now you're going to want to go to the Whoop Installer GX2. Go to load. Now remember, you have to do Mocha/Mocha.elf before you go to the Whoop Installer GX2. Or before you install this. So then you should see here newer Super Mario Bros. Wii. Click on it. Click install. Yes, I'm sure I want to install. Now, where would you like to install your USB or NAND? Now, if you have a USB, which I don't know what that is, sure, you can install it there, or your NAND. I'm just going to install it to my NAND. I don't even know what that is, but it's the only one that seems to work for me. Okay, so then install it. Now, I already have it installed, so I don't even really know why I'm installing it again. I don't know really what it'll do. So this will just take a bit. So I'm gonna speed up the video. So yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video for a second so I can just let this install and then delete this one, delete the new one, and then yeah. So see you on the Wii U menu. So as you can see, we are back on the Wii U menu now. After that, it should successfully install. Now, just open, now, I'm just gonna say this before I go in. But before you open newer Super Mario Bros. Wii, after turning your Wii U system off, you always have to do the mocha.elf thing. Otherwise, it won't work. And then you would need to, turn off your Wii U and do Mocha and then go in. So yeah, just a quick recap. Do mocha/elf or mocha/mocha.elf before you launch this after turning it off. I'm just gonna click on newer, and now it'll treat this game like a Wii Virtual Console game. Now, display option, I'm just gonna choose TV only. So then yeah, that should appear. It's just loading up. Just let it do its thing. Okay, then yeah. Hold the remote sideways. Yep, you get that. And then, boom! You just got newer. Guys, there. That is how you install newer Super Mario Bros. Wii on the Wii U without the retail disc. So I hope this tutorial helped you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, smash that notification bell to get notified whenever we post something new. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.